Well, a Houston man accused of sexually assaulting a teenage girl has been granted a $1 bond by the Harris County judge.
Officials now explaining how and why this happened. Fox 26's Natalie Hee joining us live from downtown Houston with what she's learned. Natalie.
That's exactly right. Legal analysts say the DA's office has 90 days to indict someone for a crime. In this case, they missed that 3-month window, which means by law, the court has to issue a reasonable bond.
25-year-old Luis Sanchez is accused of raping a 16-year-old girl. According to court documents, in April of last year, the teenage girl and her siblings went over to Sanchez's North Houston home to play games. While there, records say Sanchez gave the teen a drink of Smirnoff, told her siblings to go home, but said she could spend the night. The 16-year-old later told authorities she passed out and woke up naked in the bed next to Sanchez. Records say 3 months later, the girl found out she was pregnant. A DNA test confirms Sanchez is the father. He was arrested in May, more than a year after the alleged rape of an underage child. Despite the evidence, Harris County Judge Catherine Thomas issued Sanchez a $1 bond on Wednesday. Legal analysts say it's because Sanchez was not indicted within a 90-day window of his arrest as required by law.
And at that point, a lawyer can go to the district court judge, cite that statute and say, Your Honor, at this point, we would like to ask the court to follow the law and to now appoint bail to a bail that's either a PR bond or a bond that somebody can make. And so if the state misses that deadline, then unfortunately for the state at that particular point, then the court has to address what is a reasonable bond for this case.
So what qualifies as a reasonable bond? Essentially, legal analysts say it's the most a defendant swears that they can afford.
If $1 is all this person has and swears to it, the person has to fill out a financial affidavit swearing to their financial status.
In a statement, the Harris County District Attorney's Office says if Sanchez is released on bond, he will remain under house arrest with an ankle monitor and would be banned from going near the victim or other children. Authorities are now investigating if there are more victims.
Currently, records show that Sanchez remains in jail tonight. His next court date is set for November. In downtown Houston, Natalie Hee, Fox 26 News.